Hi students, I am Prashant B. Chandran, Assistant Professor Automobile Engineering Department, SN80 Adur. Welcome to my new video. In this video, I am teaching you about some simple problems on the evaluation of mass transfer coefficient from empirical relations. This is a topic from our module 6. Okay. Problem number 1. Air at 1 atmosphere and 25 degrees centigrade containing small quantities of iodine flows with a velocity of 6.2 meter per second inside a 35 mm diameter tube. Calculate the mass transfer coefficient for iodine. The thermophysical properties of air are nu is equal to 15.5 into 10 raised to minus 6 meter square per second and DAB is equal to 0.82 into 10 raised to minus 5 meter square per second. Okay, that is problem. In this problem, the pressure of air, that is at 1 atm, and its temperature 25 degree, contains small quantities of iodine, flows with a velocity of 6.2 meter per second inside a 35 mm diameter tube. Okay, geometry is tube. Calculate the mass transfer coefficient for iodine. We have to find out mass transfer coefficient for iodine, and the thermophysical properties of air are nu is equal to 15 into 10 raised to minus 6 meter square per second and DAB is equal to 0.2 into 10 raised to minus 5 meter square per second. Okay, we have to find out the mass transfer coefficient for iodine. This is the question. First of all, write the given data. The geometry is a tube. Okay, and the pressure of air is given as P is equal to 1 atmosphere and air temperature T alpha is equal to 25 degrees centigrade and the velocity of air V is equal to 6.2 meter per second. The diameter of the tube D is equal to 35 mm, which is equal to 35 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter. Okay, and kinematic viscosity nu is given as 15.5 into 10 raised to minus 6 meter square per second, and DAB is given as 0.82 into 10 raised to minus 5 meter square per second. We have to find out the mass transfer coefficient of iodine. Mass transfer coefficient of iodine. Okay, then solution. First of all, draw the diagram. This is a tube. And its diameter is given as D is equal to 35 mm and the velocity is given as V is equal to 6.2 meter per second. Okay, from the equation of Sherwood number, SH is equal to HMD divided by DAB. Here, if the Sherwood number, if D diameter D is given and DAB is given, if Sherwood number is found out, we can find the value for HM. Okay. First of all, we have to find out the type of flow. It is whether it is a laminar flow or a turbulent flow. For that, we have to find out the Reynolds number. Reynolds number R is equal to U into D by nu. U means velocity V. That is 6.2 into diameter is 35 mm, that is 35 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter, divided by nu is given as 15.5 into 10 raised to minus 6. We get Reynolds number is equal to 14,000. Okay, this value of Reynolds number is greater than 2000, therefore it is turbulent flow. Okay, then from HMT data book, page number 17, for turbulent flow, Sherwood number SH is equal to 0.023 into Reynolds number raised to 0.83 into Schmidt number raised to 0.44. But we don't know the value for this Schmidt number. Okay, SC we don't know. First of all, find out the value for SC. We know that Schmidt number SC is equal to nu divided by DAB. That is new value we know 15.5 into 10 raised to minus 6 divided by DAB value 0.82 into 10 raised to minus 5. We get SC is equal to 1.89. Substitute the value of this Schmidt number in the equation of Sherwood number. SH is equal to 0.023 into RE, that is 14,000 raised to 0.83 into this Schmidt number 1.89 the whole raised to 0.44. We get Sherwood number SH is equal to 84.077. Okay, this is the value for Sherwood number. Then write the main equation for Schmidt number, that is SH is equal to HM into D divided by DAB. Therefore HM is equal to SH into DAB divided by D. That is SH value 84.077 into DAB is 0.82 into 10 raised to minus 5. Sorry, DAB HM into HS into DAB divided by, okay, divided by diameter. Diameter is 35 mm, that is 35 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter. We get HM is equal to 0.019 meter per second. That is the value of mass transfer coefficient HM is equal to 0.019 meter per second. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.